If your crypto wallet looks empty, you're probably not a Pi pioneer. If you love big announcements, today's your day. Let's break down what's happening with Pi Network. The Pi Network core team just dropped a game-changing update that has the whole community buzzing. After years of mining and building, Pi is finally preparing to open its doors to the world. That means Pi could soon be traded, used in real-world apps, and even show up on exchanges. It's like watching your favorite underdog team finally make it to the championship. But here's the best part. This transition is being handled with care. Security, stability, and making sure the tech works for everyone are top priorities. Plus, developers are creating real apps for Pi, making it more useful every day. Early adopters, your patience could pay off. But remember, stay smart. Finish your KYC, keep mining, and follow official updates only. So, do you think Pi will change the crypto game? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pi news. Welcome to Pi News World, your home for all things Pi.